today I would like to first take you on a journey to the land of website. I started my journey from 2004 as a software developer. This is my first video for social media, so please bear with me. During those times, website design and development were not so popular. So, do you want to know what is website and how to make it? Today, it's easy to build a website. You need to purchase a correct domain name and hosting panel and create some HTML, CSS and JavaScript code, or go for a PHP based solution, or else you may go for an online ready-made solution where you can create a website with some preset drag and drop facility. This type of website may be technically correct, but please understand one thing, website not only the technology tool, it is mainly used for a marketing tool. So you need a marketing plan or objective before you start building your website. A website is a face of your company or a brand. So that's why in the first place you have to be clear on the purpose. Ask yourself why you need a website. And not just a purpose or objective, you also need to understand your audience, the main users of your website. Based on this understanding, you need to plan a proper navigation or make a user journey. Your website is one of your biggest assets that can be critical to diverting traffic from so many channels like Facebook, like LinkedIn, YouTube or Google Ads for leads or any kind of inquiry generation or product selling. The website can change your brand perception, bring in the trust factor and showcase your portfolio. So you need to build your website in such a way that user can easily navigate your services or products at all the times of the day. Now you might wonder, how would you build your website? Nowadays, there are several tools or frameworks are available in the market. Some are PHP based, some are Windows, some are JavaScript based. JavaScript based frameworks is very popular to make any booking or aggregator sites like 99 acres, Make My Trip, like that. Similarly, if you want to make an e-commerce website, you can go for a Magento based WooCommerce or any custom framework like YII, Coordinator. But if you go for a Magento or WooCommerce or any other available plug and play type tools, there might be a challenge to do customization in future. However, if you use any custom solution, then you can do any sort of changes, enhancement in near future with your website. Earlier, there was the concept of a mobile website. After that, the mobile responsive website. But today, this is a prerequisite. If you have a website, it has to be a mobile responsive website, also browser compatibility. For your reference, I would like to tell you that Google has introduced of a framework called AMP in 2015. AMP is a framework which accelerates your website on the mobile browser for a rocket faster experience. Now come to which technology you have to choose to build your website. Now comes the question, which technology to use. This again depends on your requirement or objective, and then of course the cost. Currently, so many types of technical frameworks are available in the market. Some are PHP, JavaScript and Windows based. Now, you may think that you can make your website on this platform, but that is not the right approach. Before you choose a technology or a tool to develop your website, you must write down your objective to understand which platform or tool or framework would match your requirements. This brings us to selection of the right platform. It depends on what type of website you want to make. Primarily, there are 4 types of website are available. That is corporate website, brand website, e-commerce website and aggregator website. Corporate website have 2 different types of approaches. One is B2B, another one is B2C. Similarly, e-commerce website have a D2C and marketplace approach, whereas aggregator websites are very industry focused. So you see, every website has a different set of consumer to communicate with. This can be one parameter to define which platform or tool should be chosen apart from the price factor. Be it WordPress website for a corporate or brand, or an e-commerce website with a custom framework, or just an aggregator website, the main point is you must have the right mentor or guide who can understand your purpose and deliver solution accordingly. Let's connect, let's discuss further. Thank you.